This is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and in this video I'll do quick unboxing of Oppo F1 Plus and share quick comparison of F1 Plus with Samsung Galaxy A7 2016. I'll start with the box contents. First thing in the box is the Oppo F1 Plus phone itself. It comes with a silicone soft cover for the phone along with a SIM ejector tool, VOOC USB cable, earphones, a charging adapter with output rating of 5 volts and 2 ampere for normal cable and 4 ampere for VOOC charging cable. You also get some documentation in the box. Now I'll talk about the design and build quality. The Oppo F1 Plus features a unibody brushed metal design with rounded edges which reminds us of iPhone 6. It feels premium in hand and doesn't feel very heavy while holding in hand. The Samsung Galaxy A7 2016 flaunts its premium glass and metal body design. It comes with a unibody design which looks great in hand. It comes with Gorilla Glass 4 on both front and rear for protection against scratches. Both phones come with fingerprint sensor integrated into the home button. Both phones are nice and well built with impressive looks. So, if you like phones with glass and metal design, then you can go for Galaxy A7 2016. If you like brushed metal design, then F1 Plus is the right device for you. Now let's talk about the display. Both smartphones feature a 5.5-inch Full HD display with 1080p resolution. The F1 Plus additionally comes with tempered glass for protection. Displays of both smartphones are sharp and bright with good viewing angles and good sunlight legibility. Both devices come with Corning Gorilla Glass 4 protection against scratches. Moving on to camera department, the Galaxy A7 2016 comes with a 13-megapixel autofocus camera on the rear with LED flash and OIS. There is also a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. The Oppo F1 Plus on the other hand comes with a 13-megapixel rear camera with LED flash, PDAF, f2.2 aperture, 5p lens and Beautify 4.0. There is also a 16-megapixel front-facing camera which is also the highlight of this phone. The front shooter of F1 Plus has f2.0 aperture and a 78.1 degree wide-angle lens. It is touted as a selfie expert due to its high-resolution front camera. Rear cameras of both smartphones take stunning images with excellent detailing and clarity. However, in front camera department, the Oppo F1 Plus has an edge over the Galaxy A7 2016 due to its great front camera capabilities. Next is hardware specifications. The Galaxy A7 2016 is powered by a 1.6 GHz octa-core Exynos 7580 processor paired with Mali T720 GPU and 3 GB of RAM. It comes with 16 GB of internal memory and supports expandable storage up to 128 GB using microSD card. It scores around 41,000 points on AnTuTu benchmark. The configuration of Galaxy A7 2016 is powerful enough to handle multitasking with ease. The gaming experience on this phone is also very rich and smooth. Although it does not get much heated up, but when it does, it causes a slight discomfort by heating up the edges, especially while playing games. The Oppo F1 Plus is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P10 processor paired with Mali T860 MP2 GPU and 4 GB of RAM. It comes with 64 GB of internal memory which can be expanded up to 128 GB using microSD card. It scores around 51,000 points on AnTuTu benchmarks. Despite its high-end specifications, we did face some heating issues and lags while playing graphic-intensive games like Asphalt 8. This phone handles multitasking with ease. Overall performance of the phone is good in multitasking but average in gaming. So in performance department, despite its lower specs, the Galaxy A7 2016 seems to have an edge over the Oppo F1 Plus. Now I'll talk about software. Both smartphones run Android Lollipop operating system wrapped under their respective UIs. In terms of software, both smartphones are smooth and responsive and come with negligible bloatware. Both smartphones support USB OTG, which means that you can watch videos or movies directly on phone screen. Moving on to battery department, the Samsung Galaxy A7 2016 is fueled by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery with fast charge technology. The Oppo F1 Plus is backed up by a 2850 mAh non-removable battery with VOOC flash charge. Batteries of both phones should be good enough to survive for up to 1 day on moderate usage. As for pricing, the Oppo F1 Plus is priced at around Rs 26,990, while Samsung Galaxy A7 2016 carries a price tag of around Rs 33,000. So, if you're looking for a smartphone with unibody metal design, great display, excellent front and rear cameras, then you should opt for Oppo F1 Plus. The Galaxy A7 2016 is priced more than the Oppo F1 Plus, but it offers better performance, beautiful glass and metal design, nice gaming experience, and impressive camera combination. If you want to buy these phones, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.